Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing what I have inside my basic Urban EDC kit. So if that sounds interesting to you, please stay tuned. So I apologize in advance for the lighting in this video. I am filming during a thunderstorm and you might hear the rain in the background. EDC stands for Everyday Carry. Mine is a combination of everyday essentials and just-in-case items. It's by no means a survival kit, but you can tailor yours to your liking. The size and contents of my EDCs vary depending on what bag I'm carrying. I also add and subtract items based on where I'm going, but the basic essentials I always include are a first aid kit, a multi-use tool, hygiene and personal care, and emergency or just-in-case items. In addition to my EDC, I always carry a hand sanitizer, my wallet, a cell phone, and my car keys, as well as a portable charger if my bag is big enough. Okay, so on the outside here, I have a CPR face shield and a whistle. These are the just-in-case items I pray I never have to use. And inside, this is what it looks like. So the first item I have is a mustard packet. You may be wondering, why do I have a mustard packet? But these are really good for cramps and if you want to flavor your hot dog. So there's that. And then I always bring an electrolytes packet. This is the Ultima Pink Lemonade. These are delicious and I drink it every day. At home I have a bigger container of this, but when I travel I always bring this. And then I have my Swiss card here. And if you are familiar with my channel, you've seen this before. This is my favorite EDC tool. It has a magnifying glass. It has screwdrivers. I see that. And then it has a toothpick. And this is a pen. And yes, it does write. On this side here, it has tweezers. That's what it looks like. And then there's a pair of scissors, and these are really sharp. And then it has a nail file here. And it has a pin, a little push pin. And that is everything on this Swiss card. And there's also a little tool here where you can measure. That's what the back looks like. And that's how thin it is. Next, I have a $20 bill. It's always good to have some emergency cash on you. Next, I have some eye drops, a nail cutter, and this is the Mr. Green nail cutter. And I love how flat it is. And all you do is you lift this part up and it's really sharp. Can you guys see that? And then to close it, you just push it down like that. Okay, let's see what's next. And then I have some meds here. And in this little packet, I have Imodium and Benadryl. So there's that. And the bulkiest item I have in this EDC right now is this emergency panties. This comes with a one size panty, a panty liner, and a wipe. So this is what the box looks like. So these are great if you're traveling, if you have incontinence, or for any unplanned sleepovers. So this is great to put in not just yours, but also if you have kids or teens, this is great to put in their backpack or their own EDC kit. So there's that. And next I have matches. You never know when you're going to need these. And it's always good to have a fire starting kit on you. Then I have a sewing kit with a safety pin and then a button. This has come in handy for me quite a few times. And then I have a packet of Tylenol. And for meds, if you do have a prescription medication, add some to your EDC so you have that on hand. And then I have a hair tie here. And I also have a bobby pin. You can use this to get the hair out of your face, or if you need to, pick a lock. Next, I have a mint here. This is a lifesaver. And then I have Ricola. And then my favorite hand wipe. This is just sterilized water. I get these in bulk off of Amazon, and I love putting this in my day-to-day EDC, also for travel. Next, I have a towelette disc here. This expands when you add water to it, so it's good if you need to wipe your face. Next, I have some chocolate, and this was from a friend. She went to Switzerland and brought us some chocolate. If you're like me and you crave chocolate when you're on your period, this is good to have on hand. I have a Burt's Bees chapstick, and this is the mini. Next, I have a Neutrogena makeup remover wipe. This has come in handy quite a lot, especially when I'm hanging out with my daughter. Okay, we're halfway through, and I have a shout wipe here, just in case you get a stain on your shirt. And then I have a Purell hand sanitizer. This is the singles. And a doggy poop bag. This is good if you have garbage and you don't have a trash can next to you, or if you're feeling nauseous. This is great to have on hand. And then I have a Clorox disinfecting wipe, and this is good if you want to sanitize your area. I have a Colgate wisp and a floss. And then I have a piece of paper here. This is a Write in the Rain paper, and then a small pencil. And this is the paper, just in case I want to write something down. Almost done. I have a first aid kit here. This is a basic first aid kit. I have a Zicam, and this is good to shorten the duration of a cold. A burn cream and first aid cream, different sized band-aids, a butterfly band-aid. I have an antiseptic towelette, alcohol prep pads, and a hand sanitizer. And then I have a house key just in case. And last item I have in here is an emergency medical information card. This one is blank because I don't want to show my information, but this is great for your entire family to have either in their EDC or their wallet, especially if you have elderly parents. So you can write their name, date of birth, conditions, medications that they take, any allergies, their blood type, if they're an organ donor, and then any personal information, their insurance, emergency contacts, and their doctor. This is definitely a must-have for everybody. Out of all of the items in this EDC kit, my most used are the floss and Colgate wisps, the wipes, my Swiss card, first aid kit, nail cutter, and the Lifesaver and Ultima. Everything else is just in case, but definitely important to have in my kit. So there you go, you guys. This is my basic Urban EDC kit. If you guys are interested in an EDC kit that has survival items, I do have some videos on that, and I will link it in the description box for you. So let me know, do you have an EDC kit? And if you do, what items do you have inside? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!